This is Xiaomi Mix Fold 3, the latest foldable innovation from Xiaomi. It has 2K dual E6 OLED displays. It offers 8.03 inches inner and 6.56 inches outer, delivering immersive visuals beyond compare. It also offers vibrant colors, deep contrast, and impeccable clarity, ensuring every visual experience is truly captivating. The sleek design and powerful performance. This is available in two colors, starting at Chinese currency 9000. It comes with a Snapdragon processor up to 1TB storage and runs MIUI 14 on Android 13. Capture moments with 50 megapixel main camera, IMX 800 and ISO. 20 megapixel selfie. Yeah, of course, 4800 mAh battery, 67 watt wire charging, 50 watt wireless charging, and stay connected with NFC, USB-C. Experience the future with Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 and subscribe to this channel.